Good morning, dear student. Welcome to the online classes uh, for 11th class. In 11th class, today I will teach in English Hornbill, a lesson, a portrait of a lady. Dear student, I have taught this lesson, but today I will revise you. आज आपको रिवाइज करवाएंगे. So the story of the lesson. The story of the lessons is about a grandmother and his grandson. ग्रैंड मदर और ग्रैंड सन के बीच की वार्तालाप होती है, कहानी होती है. When the grandson was living in the village, because his father has found a job in the city and they were settled in there. So the grandson lived with his grandmother in the village. His grandmother in the morning usually wake up and get ready to go to school. He gave him a breakfast of stale chapatis with some butter and sugar on it. After eating the breakfast, the grandmother along with his grandson went to the school, primary school in the village. His school was attached to a gurdwara or temple. While the child studied in the school, the grandmother read scriptures in the temple. After coming, grandmother also took some breads, stale breads, for the village dogs. When we came from the school, the village dogs meets us at the streets. They were barking and fighting for the breads. And this continued for some years. When my parents, the author is saying that when his parents was settled, जब उसके पिता सेटल हो गए थे इन द सिटी दे कॉल्ड फॉर अस, उन्होंने हमको भी बुला लिया था, माई ग्रैंड मदर एंड मी. एंड इन द सिटी हाउस आवर फ्रेंडशिप वाज स्नैप्ड बिकॉज वी नो लॉन्गर लिव्ड विथ आवर ग्रैंड मदर. एंड देयर आई वेंट टू ए इंग्लिश स्कूल. इन द सिटी में इंग्लिश जाता था. द यूजुअल फ्रेंडशिप ऑफ अवर वज स्नैप, वो टूट गया था. Now the grandmother did not back me up nor got ready to go to school. I am sorry. Once I told him that I was given music lessons in the school. My grandmother was very upset hearing this because for her the music was a lewd association. संगीत एक अच्छी वो नहीं था, संगत नहीं थे. And now I have completed my college education. I had to go to abroad for higher education. So when I left the station, my grandmother was with me. He was always saying prayers in a monotonous sing song. I was hearing his sound saying prayers when I left him and hoped that I would not be able to see him alive when I will return after 5 years. जब मैं 5 साल बाद आऊँगा नहीं देख पाऊँगा. But it was not so. When I returned after 5 years, I saw that there was not a sign on the face of my grandmother. कोई चिन्ह नहीं था एक भी. Now in the evening a change was came. She collected the women of the neighborhood and started beating a old drum and sing song of homecoming barriers. In the in the morning she always used to spin it a spinning wheel. In the afternoon time she relaxed for some time. There she picked up the grains or breadcrumbs to the sparrows. The sparrow came and sat on him. On his very last day, she had some mild fever, we thought. But my grandmother thought differently. He told us that my end time has come and I don't want any moment to waste to talk with him. He always praying. And when the rosary fell from his left long, I saw that she was dead. We made her corpse and brought her. When her corpse was being carried away from the house, then all the sparrows were sitting silently. There was no chirping in them. कोई चेंचियाँ नहीं हो रही थी. And my mother went inside the house. अंदर गई, carried some bread broke them into small pieces and threw to the sparrows. But the sparrow took no notice on the bread, and she also expressed her sorrow. And thus, in the morning, a sweeper swept the breadcrumbs into a dustbin. Dear student, I write 2 or 3 questions on the board. You will try to write the answers of this question. Uh, Three reasons in which the author grandmother. Questions one is three reasons, three page. Three reasons why the author grandmother, why the author's grandmother, author's grandmother was described when she started going to people. Started going to the city. Question number 2. Three ways in which the author mother three ways in which the author spent her day after he grew up. Now, these are the questions on the board. You will write the answers of these questions on your copy. That's all for this video.